These are the steps to solve for variables. If your equation has denominators, we can remove denominators by multiplying each term with the least common multiple of the denominators. We have 4 and 2 as our denominators. We can use the math sieve to get the least common multiple. So this is 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. We multiply all of this, 2 times 2 times 1 is 4. So we multiply each term by 4. So this will cancel out. 5x, 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28, divided by 2 is 14. 3 times 4 is 12. Next, we combine variables on one side. We can combine variables to the left side or to the right side. Let's say we combine the variables to the right side. So we really need to remove this on the left side. So to remove this, we have to subtract 5x in here and in here. So this becomes 5x plus 24 minus 5x. 14x minus 12 minus 5x. So this will cancel out, leaving it only with 24. 14x minus 5x is 9x minus 12. Next is to remove addends or subtrahends. 9x has minus 12. So the opposite of minus is plus. So we have to add 12 in this side and in the other side. So 24 plus 12 is equal to 9x minus 12 plus 12. So this will cancel out. 24 plus 12 is 36 is equal to 9x. So the next one is to remove factors. X has times 9. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we have to divide it by 9. This is also have to be divided by 9. So this will cancel out, leaving only x. 36 divided by 9 is 4. So to check if your answer is correct, we have to substitute 4 into the value of x in the original equation. So we rewrite the original equation. X becomes 4 over 4 plus 6. 7x, so 7 times 4 over 2 minus 3. So this will cancel out. So this is 5 plus 6. 7 times 4 is 28, divided by 2 is 14 minus 3. 5 plus 6 is 11. 14 minus 3 is 11. So if this is equal, it means that your answer is correct.